A very good morning, dear class 9 students. Today we will start from question number 18. Okay, and the question is, a ladder is placed against a wall such that it just reaches the top of the wall. The foot of the ladder is 1.5 meter away from the wall and the ladder is inclined at an angle of 60 degree with the ground. Find the height of the wall. So here this is wall, okay, AB is wall and this is ladder. We have to place ladder in this position. So AC is the length of the ladder, AB is the height of the wall, okay, and BC is the distance between, this is the foot of the ladder and this is wall. So distance between foot of the ladder and wall. So this is given 1.5. Here you have to find the height of the wall. You have to find AB is how much. So AB is the height of the wall, question mark. AC is length of the ladder. BC is distance between wall and foot of the ladder, which is given 1.5. So base is given, you have to find perpendicular. So turns permanently black. So you have to use tan 60 degree is root 3, turns permanently black is equal to root 3. Perpendicular is AB, base is BC is equal to root 3. So AB divided by BC is 1.5 is equal to root 3. So after cross multiplication you'll get 1.5 root 3. So height of the wall is 1.5 root 3 meter. Now next, question number 19. A tree of 12 meter high is broken by the wind in such a way that its top touches the ground and makes an angle of 60 degree with the ground. At what height from the bottom the tree is broken by the wind? So in this question, diagram is already given. Okay, this is the actual height of the tree before it was broken. So the tree is broken at point C. Then this part of that broken part, this broken part touches the ground at the point A. So this D will become A now. Okay. Now you have to find the height of the tree at which it is broken. So you have to find this height. You have to find BC. Okay, and the height of the tree before it was broken is given 12 meter. So when the D touches the ground at the point A, it makes an angle of 60 degree with the ground. So BC is height at which the tree is broken. Suppose it is X. We'll take this X. Okay, then CD and AC are equal. This CD and AC are equal because this broken part touches the ground, so they are equal. So this will be how much? This is 12. So subtract X. So this will be 12 minus X. So if this is 12 minus X, this will be 12 minus X. So here perpendicular and hypotenuse. Okay, we don't have base and it is not asked in the question. So we will deal with only perpendicular and hypotenuse. So we have to use sine. Sine 60 degree, root 3 by 2. Some people have root 3 by 2. Perpendicular is BC and hypotenuse is AC. Root 3 by 2, BC is X, AC is 12 minus X is equal to root 3 by 2. Now cross multiplication. After cross multiplication you'll get this line. Then you keep X one side, 2X plus root 3X is equal to 12 root 3. Take X common. 2 plus root 3 is equal to 12 root 3. Now this 12 root 3 will be divided by 2 plus root 3. Now you know you have to rationalize because we have root in the denominator. So change this sign, then multiply numerator and denominator. So 12 2s are 24 root 3 minus 12 root 3 into root 3, 3. So A plus B, A minus B, A square minus B square. So 24 root 3 minus 36 by 2 square is 4, root 3 square is 3. 4 minus 3 is 1. Now you can put the value of root 3. Root 3 is 1.732 minus 36. So 41.568 minus 36. On subtraction, you'll get 5.568. So the tree is broken at a height of 5.568 meter. So with this question, your chapter is over. Now we'll do one question. Okay, last year board exam question. Board exam 2019. Question is, in the given figure ABC is a right angle triangle with angle B is 90 degree. If AD is 17 centimeter, AB is 15 centimeter and CD is 12 centimeter, find BD and AC. So your angle is not given. The value of theta is not given. Only it is given 90 degree. So this is right angle triangle. So your that theta is not given. So we have to use Pythagoras theorem. Okay. So here we have two right angle triangle. One is ABD, another is ABC. First we will use this triangle to find this BD. Perpendicular hypotenuse, we can find this base by using Pythagoras theorem. So in triangle ABD, using Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square plus base square. Hypotenuse is AD square is equal to perpendicular is AB and base is BD. AD is given 17, AB is given 15. So 17 square is 289, 15 square is 225. Then 289 minus 225 is BD square. This is 64. Now when you remove this square, you have to give root here. So root 64 is BD. So root 64 is 8. So the value of BD is 8. Now to find AC, okay, this one we got 8 centimeter. So the base, total base is 12 plus 8, 20 centimeter. For this triangle ABC, AB is perpendicular, BC is base and AC is hypotenuse. So in triangle ABC, using Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square plus base square. Hypotenuse is AC, perpendicular is AB, base is BC. AC you have to find. AB is given 15, BC is 20. 15 square is 225, 20 square is 400. On addition, you'll get 625. So remove this root square. Here you have to give square root 625. So root 625 is 25 centimeter. So the value of AC is 25 centimeter.